Let's have a brief overview of the cement manufacturing process. 1. Quarrying. The raw materials for cement are limestone and clay. These materials are quarried from the ground and then transported to a cement plant. 2. Crushing. The raw materials are crushed into smaller pieces. This is done using a variety of crushing machines, such as jaw crushers and cone crushers. 3. Pulverization. The crushed materials are then pulverized into a fine powder. This is done using a ball mill or a vertical roller mill. 4. Raw mix. The pulverized materials are then mixed together in a specific ratio. This is done using a pug mill or a rotary kiln. 5. Burning. The raw mix is then burned in a kiln at a temperature of 1450 degrees Celsius. This process is called calcination. During calcination, the limestone and clay react to form clinker, which is the main ingredient in cement. 6. Cooling. The clinker is then cooled and ground into a fine powder. This is the final step in the cement manufacturing process. 7. Packaging. The ground cement is then packaged and shipped to customers. Cement is a versatile material that is used in a wide variety of construction projects. It is a key ingredient in concrete, which is used to build everything from roads and bridges to houses and skyscrapers. Cement is also used in mortar, which is used to lay bricks and tiles. The cement manufacturing process is a complex and energy-intensive process. However, it is a vital process that is essential to the construction industry.